So here in the difference, okay, so here exercise 5.3. In this exercise 5.3, question number 1 to 15, find the dy by dx in the following questions. Okay, we are going to find the dy by dx. Okay, so from all the questions from 1 to 15. Okay, in these few questions are, okay, substitution method, we apply substitution method, and for okay, few more questions. Okay, so the given equations are in the combination of x and y. Okay, we differentiate that function, we apply the uv formula, u plus v formula, u minus v formula, and we separate the dy by dx and we'll find the value of dy by dx. Okay, so here given question, this is a given equation. Okay, so now what is given here? So write the given. Okay, so given 2x plus 3y is equals to sine x, is equals to sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. If we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, 2 is outside and d by dx of x plus 3 is outside and d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of sin x, d by dx of sin x. Okay, so 2 is as it is and d by dx of x is 1 plus 3 into dy by dx is equals to d by dx of sin x is cos x. Okay, now this is equals to 3 into dy by dx, as it is 2 ones are 2. This 2 I am taking to right side. Okay, then we get cos x minus 2 ones are 2. Okay, but I want only dy by dx value. So dy by dx is equals to, here 3 is multiplying. If you take it to that side, divide. Yes, cos x minus 2 divide by 3. This is only the required solution. What is dy by dx value?
dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by 3.
Oh, very good. Okay, so now we'll go to the next question here. Okay, so here ax plus by square is equals to cos y. Okay, so what is given, ma? So given equation is ax plus by square is equals to cos y, cos y. Now I am differentiating. Now I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, if we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, okay, so then we get a d by dx left side for each and every term. A is the outside coefficient, d by dx of x, and b is the coefficient writing outside, and d by dx of y square. Okay, is equals to d by dx of cos y, d by dx of cos y. Okay, a is as it is, d by dx of x is 1 plus b into d by dx of y square. X power n formula I am applying here. 2 into y power 2 minus 1, and in place of x we have y, in place of x we have y. So d by dx of y, d by dx of y. Okay, this is equals to d by dx of cos y. What is cos y derivative?
Minus sin x.
Yes. Okay, minus sin x, but here y is there, so we write the y as it is, but in place of x we have some other function y, so differentiate that y again. So here we are differentiating like that, here also we are differentiating like that whenever in. Okay, so we have some other
So can you
function in place.
explain me that second one, like b into 2y minus 2 to the power of minus 2 minus 1, that one?
Yes, yes. Okay, sure. So here we are applying the d by dx of x power n formula. D by dx of x to the power n formula. What is d by dx of x power n? N into x to the power n minus 1 is the formula. Okay, d by dx of y square. What is y square? Okay, y power 2. Y power 2 means, okay, here applying the same formula, n into x power n minus 1. Here, okay, n value is 2. So 2 into x to the y to the power 2 minus 1. 2 into y power 2 minus 1. Okay. And in place of x we have y, so we are differentiating the y function again. Okay, yesterday we discussed chain rule, internal derivative. In place of x, if we have some other function, we differentiate that function again. Okay, so here, so we separate the dy by dx terms and other terms. Okay, So this is 2b into y power 2 minus 1 means y only, okay, into dy by dx, into dy by dx. I am taking this complete term to left side, minus sin y into dy by dx. If you take it to left side, plus sin y into dy by dx is equals to this a into 1 is a, this plus a I am taking to right side, so we get minus a, we get minus a. Take dy by dx common. Okay, if you take dy by dx common, then we get 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. Okay, so what we want actually, we want this dy by dx value. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to minus a divided by here it is multiplying. If you take it to that side, divides 2by plus sin y, 2by plus sin y. This is only the required solution. This is only the required solution. Understood?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
in the second step, we did b into 2y to the power of 2 minus 1. And again we multiplied that with y, because that's y square, right?
In place of x, this formula we apply for x terms. D by dx of x over
Okay,
n.
so in place of x, there is y. So that's why we again simplified that with dy by dx.
Yes, yes, yes. In place of x, if you have x, that's okay. Okay, in place of x, if you have some other function, okay, so we differentiate
If
that
there's-
function again. Okay, so we are differentiating this y again.
Not
Okay.
because that's y square.
No, no, no. So not because of the y square, any function. Here also cos y.
If that's
Here also we differentiate the, okay, cos y. Whenever we are differentiating cos y, cos x formula is minus sin x. But in place of x we have y, so that's why we are differentiating y again. Differentiating this y again.
in the fourth step, we took dy by dx common, right?
Yes, yes. In
Okay,
both the steps we have dy by dx here and dy by dx here. Okay, if we take common, whatever we have the remaining 2by and sin y, we write that.
okay, sir,
Okay.
understood. And if there's x in the place of y, so we again
No
we
need.
wouldn't multiply by
No need of that.
multiply by dx.
Okay, so no need. Even if you differentiate d by dx of x, we differentiate. D by dx of x means we get 1 only, into 1 we get. Okay,
Yes.
so no need of differentiating the function if we have y, x. Okay,
Okay, sir, understood.
okay, good. So we'll go to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, so here what is given? So first take the given equation, that is x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 100. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, if you differentiate this with respect to x, then d by dx of x square. Separate the write the d by dx for each and every term. D by dx of x square, d by dx of this xy, and d by dx of y square is equals to d by dx of 100. D by dx of 100. What is derivative of x square? 2x. Okay, 2x is nothing but 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. Here in place of x we have x only. Okay, so no need to differentiate here. Okay, here next uv formula we are applying. D by dx of u into v. So x is outside and d by dx of y, plus y is outside and d by dx of x. D by dx of x. And okay, so here y square is 2 into y to the power 2 minus 1, and in place of x we have y, so d by dx of y, d by dx of y. Okay, this is equals to d by dx of 100 constant, that is 0, that is 0. Okay, so 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 means 2x plus x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x is 1 plus 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx is equals to 0. Okay, so in both of wherever we have dy by dx, in these two terms we have the dy by dx, keep them left side, remaining terms take it to right side. Okay, so then we get x into dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx is equals to minus 2x minus 2x plus 2x I am taking to right side, minus 2x plus y into 1 means, okay, plus y becomes minus y. Okay, so now take dy by dx common. So if you take dy by dx common, then x plus 2y is equals to minus of 2x plus y or minus 2x minus y. Therefore, what is final answer? Finally, I want the dy by dx value that is equals to minus of 2x plus y, 2x plus y whole divided by this x plus 2y, x plus 2y. Okay, here it is multiplied. Okay, if you take it to right side, it divides. Okay, this is only the required solution. Okay, so next, if we come to the next question here. Okay, so what is given equation here? So given equation is sine square y plus cos of xy is equals to k, is equal to k. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Now I am differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, if we differentiate, what we get? We get here d by dx of sine square y. Okay, so plus d by dx of cos of xy, okay, is equals to d by dx of k, d by dx of k. Sine square y, that is x power n formula. X power n means 2 into x to the power, means sine y to the power, okay, 2 minus 1 in place of x. X power n formula we are applying. We are applying x power n formula, but in place of x we have sine y. So differentiate that function. Okay, internal derivative or chain rule. Okay, d by dx of sine y. We are differentiating that sine y again. Now d by dx of cos. What is d by dx of cos x formula? That is minus sine x. But in place of x we have some other function, that is xy. So differentiate that function again, d by dx of xy. Okay, in place of x, whatever the function we have, we differentiate that function again. Okay, and constant, d by dx of constant is 0. Okay, now 2 into sine y to the power 2 minus 1 means 1 only. Okay, and d by dx of sine y. Okay, what is d by dx of sine y, sine function? Sine function derivative is cos function, cos y. And in place of x, what we have? In place of x we have y, so d by dx of y we get, d by dx of y. Okay, and minus sine xy, minus sine xy into d by dx of xy, uv formula, d by dx of xy, that is uv formula. X is outside and d by dx of y plus y is outside and d by dx of x, d by dx of x, and that is equals to 0. Okay, now 2 sine y cos y, 2 sine y cos y, that is sine 2 theta formula. Okay, either you apply sine 2 theta formula or otherwise we can keep it like that. If you apply sine 2 theta formula, okay, then we can write it as sine 2y into dy by dx minus sine xy into okay, one more x into dy by dx. I am multiplying inside, minus into plus minus. Okay, so here sine xy into, okay, so y is as it is and d by dx of x is 1 and equal to 0. dy by dx terms, keep them left side and remaining terms right side. Okay, so in both of the first two terms we have dy by dx. Okay, take dy by dx common from these two terms. Okay, then we get sine 2y minus, okay, this x into sine xy, x into sine xy. Okay, What about this term? This term I am sending to right side. Here it is negative. If you take it to right side, it becomes positive. Y into 1 is y into sine xy, y into sine xy. Here it is multiplying. If you take it to this side, it divides. Therefore, okay, what is dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equals to y into sine of xy, sine of xy whole divided by sine 2y minus x into sine xy, sine xy. Okay, so this is the required solution. This is the required solution. Yes, yes, ma.
I didn't understand the last third step, so we didn't discuss that formula.
Okay, what formula, ma?
Because that's 2 sine y, we write that as sine 2y, some formula you told, right?
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll explain that. This is sine 2 theta, trigonometry formula it is. It is trigonometry formula. Sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 sine theta into cos theta. This is a basic trigonometry formula. More what formula we discussed here? We applied here x power n formula also. X power n is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, so I'll write that formula also here. Okay, so d by dx of x to the power n, x to the power n is equals to n into x to the power n minus 1. Okay, and here we applied. Okay, so here d by dx of uv formula we applied. Okay, for this step. Okay, d by dx of uv. What is d by dx of uv? Okay, so d by dx of u into v is equals to u outside and differentiate v, and v outside plus differentiate u d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, so this is the formula here. Okay, any more doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move to next question. Here this is the substitution method, ma. These are substitution method. Okay, here we are going to use the trigonometry formula also. Trigonometry formula also, like sine 2 theta formula. Here we use other trigonometry formula also. Okay, so here what is given? So given function is y is equals to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, here in place of x will substitute some other function. Let I am taking x is equals to tan theta. X is equals to tan theta. Most of the cases, most of the times we take tan. Okay, but other functions also will take sine, cos, tan. Okay, like that. But mostly we take tan. Okay, so here if you substitute tan in place of x, if you substitute the tan, then what we get? Y is equals to sine inverse of 2 into x means tan theta divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, that is tan square theta. Okay, we have the formula for sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Okay, so sine inverse of this is sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta formula. Okay, what is the formula here? Okay, so I am writing the formula here. Okay, sine 2 theta formula. Okay, just now we discussed one formula, that is 2 sine theta cos theta. This is one formula. Okay, so other than this, we have one more formula, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, in terms of tan, this formula in terms of tan, sine 2 theta. Okay, so here we can cancel this sine and the sine inverse. Sine and the sine inverse. Okay, so then what we get here? This is equals to 2 theta. From this, okay, from this, x is equals to tan theta. X is equals to tan theta means, okay, what is theta ma from this? Okay, theta equals to tan. I am taking to that side means tan inverse x. What is x? X is tan inverse x. theta is equals to tan inverse x. If x is equals to tan theta, then theta is equals to tan inverse of x. So here I am writing 2 into theta. What is theta? What is theta? Tan inverse x. So y is equals to tan inverse x. Till now, okay, what we did, we did the simplification part. Till now, we did only simplification part. There is no differentiation. Okay, now we are differentiating. Now we are differentiating. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, if we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, then we get d by dx of y and is equals to 2 is a coefficient and d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. This is equals to 2 into what is d by dx of tan inverse x? We have to check the formula. Okay, what is the formula for d by dx of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Inverse formula. So 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square means 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is only the so required derivative. This is only the required derivative. Okay. So here the right side part we have the differentiation part. Remaining only simplification part. Remaining completely simplification part only. Here we applied the formula d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the formula. This is the formula here. Okay. So now we go to the next question here. What is given here? Y is equals to, so given function is y is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So here in this case also, let I am taking x is equals to tan theta. What I am taking, ma?
X is equal to tan theta.
Okay, so like a previous one only. Okay, like previous one only. So now same, simplify like that only. So cos inverse of 1 minus what is x square? Tan square theta. Okay, divided by 1 plus x square means 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so here also we have the formula. Okay, cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is one of the formula for cos 2 theta. Okay, this is one of the formula for cos 2 theta. Okay, so here cos inverse gets cancelled, so we get to 2 theta. What is theta from here again? Okay, if you write the theta value from this, theta is equals to x is equal to tan theta. So theta means tan, take the tan to that side, tan inverse x. X is
Sure.
equals to, yes.
So in the second step, we can cancel that minus tan square theta and tan square theta. Then we'll get y is equal to cos inverse theta, right? Cos inverse.
What, ma?
So in the second step,
Okay.
this cos inverse is equal to 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, right? We could
Yes.
cancel that tan square minus and plus tan square, then we'll get y is equal to cos inverse, right?
No. We can't cancel the numerator tan square and the denominator tan square like this. Okay. So if the tan square is beside this plus tan square theta like this, we can cancel plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Whenever they are in the division, okay, if they are in multiplication, we can cancel. Okay. But here we can't cancel like that. We can't cancel like that. Okay. Understood? Here we are applying the formula. This is cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula we applied. Okay, one of the cos 2 theta formula is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is trigonometry formula. This is trigonometry formula. Okay, is it clear, ma? 2 into theta. What is theta? Tan inverse x. Theta is equals to tan inverse x. Till here, what we did just simplification only. We did only simplification. Now we will differentiate. Okay, we are going to differentiate now. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, so then d by dx we get left side d by dx of y, and 2 is outside, and d by dx of tan inverse x, tan inverse x. So 2 is outside, and d by dx of tan inverse x, again same formula just now we discussed. Okay, d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square means 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is only the required dy by dx value. Understood? This is only the required dy by dx
Sure.
value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here what formula we applied, ma? Tan inverse x.
Tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square.
Very good. Once again, d by dx of tan
Tan
inverse.
inverse x square x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square.
Very good, very good. Okay, so we applied this formula in this problem. Okay. Now, okay, so if we come to this question, so here given y is equals to cos inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Okay, if you know the trigonometry formula, then this will be very easy. Substitution method is very easy. Okay, let I am taking x is equals to tan theta. X is equals to tan theta. Now I am substituting y is equals to cos inverse of 2 into x, that is tan theta, divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, that is tan square theta. Okay, we have the formula. What is the formula? Okay, so cos inverse as it is, and 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, not cos 2 theta. But outside we have cos inverse, so we want cos theta inside. Okay, so that's why we use another formula here. Okay, so this is little bit different question. Okay, so for all the other questions, whatever we have outside, we get okay, that function directly. But in this question, outside is cos inverse, but inside we are getting sine. Okay, but we have the okay concept, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. So this sine theta I am writing as cos 90 minus theta. So that means cos of 90 pi by 2 minus 2 theta, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, so we can cancel the cos and cos inverse. So we get pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, so finally what formula we are using here? Okay, so one formula is sine 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta formula? This is sine 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We applied this concept here, formula. And here what we did, we applied sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Okay, so now this is equals to, from this what we can write the theta value. Theta is equals to, x is equal to tan theta, theta is equals to tan inverse x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, so now this value, okay, is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 into theta. We can write the theta as tan inverse x. Theta as tan inverse x. Okay, till here this is just function simplification only. Okay, till here just we simplified the function. We simplified the function. Okay, so now okay, so we are going to differentiate this function. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, so then d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 is a coefficient outside, and d by dx of tan inverse x, tan inverse x. Okay, now this is equal to d by dx of constant is 0 minus 2 into tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so we get minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is the value of dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx here. Okay, so what is the final answer? Minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square is the required solution for dy by dx.
So
Okay.
can you explain again?
Okay, from where ma? From starting. Okay, so here, first given function is cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. In this function, okay, I am taking x is equals to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. We use this, okay, afterwards. Okay, now here y is equal to cos inverse of what is x? In place of x, we are replacing tan theta. Okay, so 2x means 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus x square means 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so after that, okay, so we are using the formula cos 2 theta is equals to 1 plus 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is formula for cos sin 2 theta. So in place of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, I am replacing sin 2 theta. Okay, but outside cos inverse, inside sin. Okay, so we can't cancel. That's why this sin function we wish to convert into cos. How to convert? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, we are
Yes.
applying this concept here. Yes, ma'am.
Why should we write cos pi by 2? We could write at cos 90 minus theta right directly.
Yes, yes. Okay, so 90 pi by pi is nothing but 180. Pi value is 180 divided by 2. 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. 90,
Yes.
either we can write 90 or pi by 2. Both are same only. Okay, so
can we
even
write
if,
90
we can write 90 also. We can write 90 also. If you write 90, okay, even if you write 90, then what we get here? Okay, even if you write 90 also, we write 90 here. Okay, 90 and d by dx of 90. 90 are constant. Whatever it is, we get 0 only here. We get 0 only. Okay, both are constants only.
So when I
Okay,
note
the
down, can I
constant.
write 90 there?
Yes, yes, we can write 90 also. 90 also okay, but we give the priority for radians. Okay, pi by 2. Okay, but both are correct only. We can write 90 or pi by 2. Okay, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. That's why, okay, sin we written in terms of cos like this. Okay, after that cos and cos inverse gets cancelled. Okay, so pi by 2 minus 2 theta. What is theta? Actually, given question is in terms of x, but we only converted into theta. Okay, that's why, okay, this theta again we convert into x. Okay, what is theta value? Tan inverse x. Okay, I am writing the theta as tan inverse x here. Okay, theta is equals to tan inverse x, pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Till here, just this is complete simplification part only. Okay, now right side we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides. If we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, left side we write dy by dx, and the right side also for each and every term we write the dy by dx. Here dy by dx of constant, okay, is equals to 0, and 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so minus 2 into 1 minus 2 by 1 plus x square is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next here given function. Okay, so next given function is y is equals to secant inverse of 1 divided by 2x square minus 1. 2x square minus 1. Okay, so I am taking x is equals to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. If we substitute x is equal to cos theta, then y is equals to secant inverse of 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now this is equal to secant inverse of, okay, 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta formula it is. Cos 2 theta formula. Okay, so I written cos 2 theta here. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So secant inverse is outside and 1 by cos I am writing as secant. So we get secant 2 theta. Secant inverse gets cancelled. So we write to 2 theta. Y is equals to 2 theta. Y is equals to 2 into what is theta from here? We can write the theta value here. Okay, so x is equals to cos theta means theta is equal to, take the cos to the side. Okay, we get cos inverse x. We get the cos inverse x. Okay, so what is x value? X is equals to cos theta. Theta is equals to cos inverse x is the value we written here. Okay, so now theta value I am writing as cos inverse x. Okay, till here we just, this is the simplification part only. Till here, this is complete simplification part only. Okay, so now, okay, so y is equals to 2 into cos inverse x. So now I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, then what we get here, d by dx of y is equals to 2 into d by dx of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x, 2 into, what is d by dx of cos inverse x? 1 by minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square is the d by dx of cos inverse x formula it is. Okay, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is only the required dy by dx value. Okay, so what formula we use here, just I'll write those formula once again. Okay, so here we used cos 2 theta formula. Okay, cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, this is one of the formula. For cos 2 theta formula, we have, okay, so in terms of sin cos, in terms of cos, in terms of sin, in terms of tan. Okay, so this is in terms of cos. Okay, and 1 by cos, this is easy only. Okay, and here I applied the derivative formula d by dx of cos inverse x. What is d by dx of cos inverse x, ma? D by dx of cos inverse x?
Minus 1 by root 1 minus x square.
Okay, repeat once again, ma.
D by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square.
Very good. Okay, so just note down. Okay, so here y is equals to secant inverse of 1 divided by 2 x square minus 1. This is a given question. Okay, so in this given question, okay, so I am taking x is equals to cos theta. Taking x is equal to cos theta, then theta is equal to cos inverse. Okay, what function we consider as x, that is very important. Okay, so by practice easily, okay, so you can understand, you can take, okay, what function we can take. Okay, either cos or sin or tan, mostly we take these three. And okay, so why we are taking this? The reason is outside secant inverse we have, inside we want secant. Okay, if we take cos, then 2 cos square theta minus 1, this is the cos 2 theta formula. Okay, 1 by cos is secant. That's why we took like that. That's why we took like that. Once again, okay, in place of x, I am substituting cos. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is, okay, cos 2 theta formula. So we get 1 by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, outside secant, secant inverse. Okay, so the remaining is 2 theta. Okay, what is theta? Okay, from here, x is equal to cos theta means theta is equal to cos inverse x. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, so in place of theta, I written cos inverse x here. Okay, y is equal to 2 into cos inverse x. Okay, so this y is equal to 2 into cos inverse x only. I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So that means we write the d by dx left side, d by dx the right side. Okay, what is derivative of cos inverse x, ma? D by dx of cos inverse x?
d by
is,
dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square.
yes, okay, so we substituted that. Okay, in place of d by dx of cos inverse x, I written minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir. So in the third step, secant theta is secant theta into 1 by cos 2 theta is there, right?
Mm.
So how is that cos 2 theta?
Yes, ma. Cos 2 theta, we have the formula. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay,
So that formula. Okay.
formula, it is a formula, trigonometry formula. So cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, this cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so converting as, writing as cos 2 theta. Okay, this is a formula, trigonometry formula.
And the next one, cos 2 theta is equal to secant 2 theta, sir.
So next step, 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta formula is secant theta. Okay, this is also basic trigonometry. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, basic trigonometry functions. Okay, so 1 by cos theta is, we can replace with secant theta. Okay,
I understand, sir.
okay. So just note down